Hey guys, Andrew from Alien Sunshade here, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how to install our PARACORD grab handles on a Jeep Wrangler. So we're going to start by installing a grab handle up front to show you how that is. So if you already have an Alien Sunshade, remove those two side bungees. That'll make it a bit easier to work with and install the grab handle. So let's start with a front PARACORD grab handle. Start by undoing all the Velcro straps. And this particular Jeep JLU is equipped with the soft top, so we have these brackets to deal with. So just drape it on top like this, and it's going to fit right in between these 2 points. And then you can start by feeding the straps through the buckles. And our grab handles are designed to show off this Alien 4x4 logo, so make sure it's pointing down and in a nice position so you can see it. Now you can take your bungees, if you have one of our sunshades, and it actually can fit right behind the buckle into position. And for this one, I find it fits better behind the furthest buckle here. And that's it. Now for the rear grab handle, if you have a soft top equipped Jeep Wrangler JL or JLU like I do right now, we have this bracket to deal with. The only thing that we're gonna have to watch out for is feeding these 2 straps on either side of this attachment point. If you have a sunshade, it's best to undo these 2 side bungees. Now we can undo the straps. And again, we want to drape it this way so that once we feed the Velcro strap through the buckle, that we have the Alien 4x4 logo pointing downward. So I'm going to get back up here. So it's going to fit like this. You have your 2 buckles on either side of this bracket like so. And now you can begin by feeding the straps through the buckles, and just do them like loosely for now. It'll allow you to more easily adjust the positioning once all 3 straps are attached. That. And there you have it. Grab handles are installed in the rear. Alien 4x4 logo pointing down and nicely visible. And now you can take the bungee cords from the sunshade if you have one of our sunshades installed. Pull it back down. And for this bungee positioning, I put it in front of the frontmost Velcro strap in front of the label. And for the rear, I feed it just behind the rearmost Velcro strap of our grab handles. And there we go. All done. Now for the passenger rear on the Jeep Wrangler JL and JLU, when you have the soft top, there's one extra step that you have to do. Since our grab handles are all the same, we actually have to take this portion and feed it out like this in order for everything to fit. And it's going to make a lot more sense once I start to do it. If you remember, like on the other side, we had the buckles here. So now we have the straps straddling this attachment point. So we're going to feed everything down like this, and the rearmost Velcro strap is going to be by itself. And now we can feed the actual grab handle here with the strap, like so. So now it's looking like normal again. Go back up, and we can attach the straps one by one. And again, just do it loosely to begin with so that you get them all attached in position. And when they're loose, they're easier to adjust to get it sitting just the way you want. Now you can tighten down the Velcro straps. All right, one more. There we go, everything's looking good. Alien 4x4 logo pointing downwards. And now if you have one of our sunshades, start with this front corner bungee, feed it in front of the frontmost Velcro strap like this. And for the rear, feed it behind the rearmost Velcro strap and around. And that's the rear passenger done. Now we're just left with the passenger front. So unlike the passenger rear, we don't have to remove the grab handle from the strap because there is no bracket interfering. So we can just feed the grab handle down in that slot, and then this part is going to lay flat. And now we can start to feed each of the straps through the buckles. Again, do it loosely so that you can adjust the position of the grab handle so that it's nice and even with the driver's side. So I like where everything is. So now I can tighten them all down. Again, we have our Alien 4x4 logo pointing downwards, and it's the frontmost strap. So that's done and looking good. And the last step, if you have one of our sunshades, is to reattach these two bungees. So with this one, I like to put it just behind the frontmost strap and above the grab handle so it's not in the way. And then for this one, I can put it right behind this rearmost strap. There's like a nice little groove to fit. And we're all done, and it looks great. So that's how easy it is to install our Alien 4x4 PARACORD grab handles on a Jeep Wrangler. I hope you found this video useful. If you want to pick up your own set of grab handles, check us out aliensunshade.com or on Amazon. Happy Jeeping.